What's up, taters? This is Tree from treeoflogic.com. So listen, I told y'all about these grifters. I told you guys about these people that are actually leftists, but they're what you call them blue mega hat wearers. These are liberals. These are left-leaning centrists who support Trump, but they are very SJW. They are very liberal. They are very socialists and everything like that. And Karlyn Borysenko is one of them. I told you guys, I said I'll never let you guys live that down for embracing her from the walk away movement. And this woman thought that she can come and infiltrate our side, and holy smokes, I put her on blast. A lot of other people put her on blast. And of course, it's time for me to go, told you so, told you so, told you, told you, told you so. Feast your eyes on this. You guys are going to get mad when you read what her tweet is. By the way, she got in trouble on Twitter, and I think they put her in timeout for a couple of hours until she deleted the tweet. But you guys know people do screenshots these days. So let me just tell you what she did. So somebody, this happened yesterday or the day before yesterday, because right now it's the 6th. It's like it's about 3 o'clock in the morning. I've been doing a lot of work, and once I do this, I'll be done for the day. So at 3 o'clock in the morning. So this is on the 6th. So 2 days ago, this was on the 4th at 8:19 in the morning. Somebody she quote tweets someone who says, "You disagree with this?" I don't know what they're disagreeing with. I didn't feel like it, but honey, this is the tweet I wanted to show you what she said. She said, "I believe everyone always chooses to live or die. Everyone. Always. Aborted children choose to be aborted. If they choose to be born into human form in the future, they can. So no, I do not agree with this statement because I do not have a Christian worldview." Oh my God, why did I read that tweet and I lost a lot of brain cells? How do you choose to be aborted? That make sense. How does that work? And you guys was kissing her booty, talking about, "Oh, Karlyn Borysenko, we so happy that you're coming over here to talk about CRT." And look at the stupid tweet she put. But wait, there's more. Hold on, that ain't the only one. Here's another one. This happened the same day, about a minute or two later. So someone's named Flying Fish said, "Lol, yes, the civilians who get hit by a drone strike on a missed bad target chose to die." And then this clown says, "Yes, they do. Everyone who died in the Holocaust chose to die in the Holocaust before they were ever born because they collective wanted." Oh my God. And I had the inferior education, and even I can write better than this, okay? So she says they collective wanted to understand the experience of ultimate oppression. That's why Hitler went to heaven. This girl is she's a Hitler did nothing wrong. It's amazing that you went against the white identitarians and the white nationalists, and it turns out that she ended up being one. She said that Hitler went to heaven. She's not memeing. I know. Oh, Lord, you conservatives. I know you will come into my comment section. I'll know you're coming to the chat and you go, "Oh, she's just a meme. She's not real." She's dead serious, guys. She's dead serious when she says this. And I think this is the tweet that Twitter put her in timeout for until she deleted it. And then when she deleted it, then because everybody came for her, and they took screenshots, and now she all butthurt. So here's another tweet. So here she goes. So when everybody started coming for her and be like, girl, you done lost your mind. Hitler didn't go to no heaven. Or like if she said she's not a Christian, but yet she said Hitler went to heaven. What is the more? I'm never gonna let you guys live this down about embracing this child on our side. So she goes, oh look, I'm getting canceled by conservatives for telling the truth again. Imagine my shock. The conservative right is not what the conservative right? Sweetie, there is no conservative left. I know. You heard like, well, some people in the black community have conservative. No. They're not conservative. They're still liberal. Just because some people have a conservative value here or there does not make them conservative. Holy smokes. Now she's trying to redefine that like a typical liberal, redefining words. The conservative right is no different than the Okay, hold on a second. I got one more, man. I got one more, okay? Here she go. It's that. Oh, wait a minute. Someone says, I don't see anyone counseling you. I see lots of people disagreeing with you and calling your arguments insane or dangerous. That ain't the same thing. Disagree does not equal cancellation. Yeah, because she thinks she's important. Karlyn, you have to have something to cancel first, honey, okay? I mean, you ain't got nothing to cancel to be... You have nothing to be canceled. You don't have nothing to lose to be canceled. So what could be canceled from you? So she goes, it's not cancellation. It's just accountability. What conservatives? I don't never get old doing that. Dude, holy smokes. Congratulations, Karlyn. The last time I checked, and girl, it's been a long time since I checked your daggone Social Blade. You were at 108. Now you done went down to 107. Yay! Oh my goodness. I mean, succeeding backwards, girl. Go for it. I swear. I swear. And then I also did some digging. Come to find out she has another website, I think, or another channel on YouTube. And look, ooh, ouch, ooh, ouch, ooh, ouch. Look at all that red. Oh, look at all that red. Girl. Oh, girl. And oh, Lord have mercy. Anywho, that's all I got to say about this. You know, Karlyn Borysenko once again showing us her liberal colors, showing us her commie colors. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know why y'all thought this woman, just because she supported Trump, that she's on our side. No, man. I love being right. I love it. This is the reason why I basically clowned you guys for accepting her on our side. But now it looks like she's going back to the center left or going somewhere back to left. I don't know where she is, but thank God you guys woke up and finally saw her for the poser that she is. But by the way, Karlyn, feel free to make a response video out of me, girl. Last time you did it, I got over $1,000 donations. This seems like somebody who really hates you loves to give me money when you try to do a video about me. So please do that, and be sure to tag me in your community posts. Hey, y'all, I'm Tree from treeoflogic.com. Be sure to leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. I don't normally do content like this. I just couldn't resist. Anyway, I'll see you all on the next video. Later, taters.